Hi there, this is the STRICH or STRICH twister pedal, which is a type of flanger. And I'll give you a little demonstration of it today. This is my fundamental sound. So fairly distorted, but not overly. Now I'll kick in the pedal. It's a very, very nice effect. We can play around with the parameters a little bit. This is the color knob, which is sort of like feedback. Let's drop that a bit lower. And we can bring that back up, and we'll change the range, which is sort of like the dynamic sweep range. And we can also change the speed of the sweep. So there's more like a chorus. Let me move it back here. Now I'll bring it to my favorite setting, which I think is the most expressive. It's right on the edge of feeding back, which I love. Just love that sound. And of course there's a truck going by. Let's wait for that. There we go, it's gone. Now I'll move on to the freeze mode, which is sort of more like a high pass filter. It also deadens the frequency response a little bit and accentuates the highs. It's a neat sound, not something I necessarily use a whole lot, but it does a thing. And I kind of like it, but it's hard to find a use for it. It's almost like a cocked wah in a way. You can also do the classic siren sound. And that's always fun to play around with. Yeah, it's a very musical little pedal. I like it a lot, especially the price. I was really impressed with it. For $39.99, it's certainly not as capable as some other pedals that I've used in the past, but for the money, I mean, it's just a wonderful little pedal, especially if you're a newcomer and you're looking to just experiment with some different pedals and see what you like and what you don't. This allows you the opportunity to do that without spending $100 or $150 on a pedal. And I'm really quite taken with it. I've had a lot of fun playing around with it, and I hope this has helped you.